Hello gardeners. I've got some starts, broccoli and cauliflower, and my hope is that planting them now in the middle of hot summer weather could yield me some great food when it's way more expensive to buy in the middle of winter. There's a challenge. We all face this challenge in hot weather conditions, planting these little fragile beauties, and it's not the heat, even though it's 30 degrees today. It's the direct sunlight, which is probably going to kill them if you don't give them a little bit of a hack that's going to help them out. I'm going to show you what I do that guarantees me success for starts planting in the middle of the hottest time of the year. Here we go. I guess really there's two hacks. The first one is when I plant along a drip line. Every 30 centimeters there's a dripper, so every little plant is guaranteed to be right at the source of fresh water coming to it with just the push of a button, so they're guaranteed that. Now I'll show you the beautiful hack to keep the direct sunlight from harming the leaves when they're so little and delicate. Here's this one. And note, the hot sun of the day south is the side of the plants where I am. See my shadow on the plants? So this is the issue, that we need to protect the plants from the sun coming this way. Here we go. First thing I'm going to do is put in 3 posts. That's one. That's 2. That's 3. And now comes the magic. Just got something sharp and pokey and 3 little pieces of wire that are quite lightweight but strong enough to do the job. Take a piece of cardboard, poke a hole on each side of the post, and then poke the wire through the post. Through the cardboard around the post, rather. And repeat. Look at that! And there you have it. Tiny plants in the shade, super happy. There's your hack. Go plant those fall winter veggies and they will thrive.